Hello, welcome to Market Masterclass on this Friday, the 17th of November. And this week we've been looking at Pacific funds in sort of collusion with the ASEAN major meeting hosted by the Philippines this year. And we're looking at a group which has had a fund in the Pacific region since 1997. It's the Blackrock Group. And this fund has $4,679 million in it, and it's called the Blackrock Asian Dragon Fund, and it includes investments in Japan, Australia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, South Korea, India. It's currently got 40% in China, 18% in Korea, India 13%, Taiwan 10%, Hong Kong 7%. India, Indonesia, Thailand and Philippines 9%. Currently, I think next to nothing currently in Japan. 24% of the holding of the fund is in the top 10 holdings. And we're talking about well-known groups or companies such as, we got Alibaba again, we've got the ANZ, the Australian New Zealand Bank. You've got Bank of China, we've got Samsung, we've got Mitsubishi. So in terms of where they're investing, which sectors, we're looking at financial services makes up 27% of the holdings. Basic materials makes up 16.5%. Tech stocks, 18%. Industrials, 10%. So how have they been doing? Well, over the last year, you would have been up 16.3% on your money. Over 3 years, way down to 5.7% average per year. Over 5 years, bumped up again to 9.7% average over 5 years. And then again, like other funds we've been looking at this week, over 10 years, because we're talking about the financial crisis, world crisis, promulgated mainly by the international banks, apparently. Over 10 years, you would have only averaged 2.8%. Per annum. So that's the current scenario, and as I say, this fund has been around, they've got a lot of experience, and recently doing very well, thank you. I mean, 16.3%, way above bank interest rates, which is the basic returns one would hope to get. This Blackrock Asian Dragon Fund, looking pretty good, as I say. Over 40% of the fund invested in China, and China in many ways and in many areas is regarded as this century as the century for the development of China, and things seem to be going pretty well, thank you. So that's the Blackrock Asian Dragon Fund, and that's the end of the week, and good luck to the ASEAN countries, and good luck to your holdings in your overall portfolio in the Pacific region. Blackrock Asian Dragon Fund, worth looking at. Hope you found that useful and interesting. Bye for now.